Good morning, guys. So the time is actually 9:43. We're almost 15 minutes after opening bell. Right now, I want to start the day off with a Bible verse because this is what keeps me grounded. And I usually don't trade directly at opening bell. Sometimes I do, don't get me wrong. But lately, this month of January, the market has been very volatile at open, wicking both sides and doing a bunch of craziness. So I let it play out a little while and show his hand before I get in. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So let's get into it. So today's verse is Psalms 27. This is the NLT version. The Lord is my light and my salvation, so why should I be afraid? The Lord is my fortress, protecting me from danger, so why should I tremble? When evil people come to devour me, when my enemies and foes attack me, they stumble and fall. Though a mighty army surrounds me, my heart will not be afraid. Even if I am attacked, I will remain confident. The one thing I ask of the Lord is to seek, the thing I seek the most is to live in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, delighting in the Lord's perfections and meditating in his temple. For he will conceal me there when troubles come, for he will hide me in his sanctuary. He will place me out of reach on a high rock, and I will hold my head high above my enemies who surround me. At his sanctuary, I will offer sacrifices with shouts of joy, singing and praising the Lord with music. Hear me as I pray, O Lord. Be merciful and answer me. My heart has heard you say, "Come and talk with me," and my heart responds, "Lord, I am coming." Do not turn your back on me. Do not reject your servant in anger. You have always been my helper. Do not leave me now. Do not abandon me, O God of my salvation. Even if my father and mother abandon me, the Lord will hold me close. Teach me how to live, O Lord. Lead me along the right path, for my enemies are waiting for me. Do not let me fall into their hands, for they accuse me of things I've never done. With every breath, they threaten me with violence, yet I am confident I will see the Lord's goodness while I am here in the land of the living. Wait patiently. I will wait patiently for the Lord. Be brave and courageous. Yes, wait patiently for the Lord. Amen. All right, let's get into it. Let's start crunching these numbers on these charts. Let me get my Tradeify open. Alrighty. Go to trading view. Right, slide on over here. All right, what do we have? So with yesterday's markups on the top-down analysis video, if you haven't seen it, check it out now. Basically, we've closed below on the higher time frame. So we closed below this sell side imbalance. This is actually a 4-hour. Both of these are imbalance right here. The price came basically halfway down. And it rejected, pushed up. And now, let's see what else we got. So 1-hour imbalance here. That price is actually tapped into. Let me see if the 30 minute looks a little bit. The 30 minutes is a bit clearer. I'm going to refine that. So price just tapped into this imbalance here. We got a lot of imbalance going on in the market. That's what I'm talking about with these tariffs and opening bell and everything. Like, it's quite unstable. But we did sweep sell side officially. Now, this 1 minute fair value gap yesterday that I marked up from after the market. Oh, no, was this 1 minute? So, yeah. No, it wasn't 1 minute. Sorry. I think it was a 5 minute. 5 minute. I don't know why I put 1 minute. I must have been tired last night. Okay, so this was a 5 minute bearish fair value gap that got ripped through. And this was the cause of our reversal. So now you see price is actually tap dancing on this. It just pushed up off of it. I do believe that price is ready to take the buy side now. I don't think we have any more downside to the market. We swept these pre-market, this pre-market kill zone low. I may just get in one contract or a buy from here. Let's see. It tapped back into it and then it's respecting it. Okay. See. Oh, just underneath. Oh. Is it rejecting it? I want to see it like push up strong before I get in. I don't want to see it do all that, what it's doing now. So, okay. Come on. In your intestines, there's this. All right, 5 more seconds till this closes. Let's see, can we get a push? All right, another. All right, I'm getting in. Stop loss is right below that. If we gain some momentum, I will add to the trade. But first, we must take out some of these highs here. Like we got all of this, okay. Pushing. Okay. Oh, we broke above. Oh, can we hold it? All right. Let's see. Oh, okay. Adding. If it doesn't hold, let me put one in profit. Actually, I'm gonna put both in profit, child. I ain't playing with this market this morning. All right, come on, push. Boom. Okay, that's all I needed. That's all I needed, y'all. So, let me show y'all. I think that's all I needed. Let me double check because I don't want to mess myself up. Hold on, give me 1 sec. All right, y'all. So, I just passed a Tradeify account. That is all I needed. $1,000 on a day. This was a Tradeify Select account. So I'll be updating y'all on my progress with this. I only needed 2,500. I got 2,600. So yeah, we just passed an account. You see how easy that was? Just get in and get out. Nothing to it. Let me mark up this trade so that I can document or journal my trade. Okay, hold on. Push it up a little bit. I got out over here. Hold on. That was quite an easy day. All right, look, I can't make it perfect. But I get the point. All right, that was quite an easy day. I got 1 to 1.5, which wasn't, too bad. All right, so y'all see I got a quick and easy entry. I got a bunch of boxes that I need to clear up on this thing, but yeah, this 30-minute imbalance here, I marked up, price came back to retest. I just basically like the price action up out of the sell side zone, and the fact that the price actually didn't want to fully close on here. So we got some displacement up out of this. What was this? The 4-hour imbalance. And price then decided to, keep pushing up, and we started changing structure. We made higher lows. We broke through all of these London highs, right? So that was my first indication. Opening bell, which was here. We broke through London's high. Beautiful. Came back to retest this 5-minute imbalance from yesterday, which was also in line with the sell side liquidity line. So, AKA support. And yeah, I mean, we got that retest off of there. Everything was good. What more can you ask for? You know, if you guys have any questions on the trade I placed today, or, you know, whatever comes to mind, leave a comment below. Like the video and subscribe to this channel for more trades in action, more trade breakdown, recaps, etc. I just really like trading. You know what I'm saying? So if you like trading too, follow me. And I have my Instagram and TikTok in the bio. So check that out. All right. And I'll see y'all on the next trade.